Hi guys, welcome to Foshan Landpack Machinery. I'm Melody from Landpack. It's my honor to introduce how to connect the powder packaging machine to you today. It will be divided into three parts. First, how to connect the barrel and the screw elevator. Second, how to replace or install the measuring screw. And the third part, how to connect the screw elevator and the measuring screw part. Okay, next let my colleague to show you how to install. First, put the screw into the screw elevator. Then place the screw in the correct position. Fix it with a lock strap. And finally tighten the screw. And then we need to fix the elevator part of the screw on the barrel. Tighten the two fixed handles. Connect the screw elevator part to the barrel. Surround the connection between the screw elevator part and the barrel with the silica gel. And fix it with a lock strap. Finally, we tighten the screw. The second part is how to install or replace the measuring screw. See, here is the measuring screw. Let's put the measuring screw into this part. And then make the whole part into the back former. Use this circular part to connect the measuring screw and the upper part. Just loose it is okay. And then we close the measuring screw part. Finally, fix it with the lock strap. And tighten the screw of the lock strap. The last part is to connect the measuring screw part and the screw elevator. First, put the cross back on the connection of the screw measuring part and the screw elevator. Fix it with a lock strap. And tighten the screw. Put the cross back on the screw elevator. And finally tighten the lock strap. The installation is the same as before. It is really easy to do it. That's the introduction of how to connect the powder packaging machine today. If you still have any question, welcome to contact us by searching the website below.